are we making with paya. So the key ingredient is the mutton bones that we get from the goat, baby goat. So check this out. I prepped something like in a small pressure cooker, and the ingredients that I used here are just pepper and red chili flavors, and then a little bit of salt, and I need to fry this one. Check this out. This looks so yummy. The red chili powder and the pepper powder, and then the bones. The bones is all about paya. So that's the key ingredient. So here is freshly chopped mint. We need to fine chop it, and so the mint enhances the flavor, the aroma in the paya. So we need to put this one into the pressure cooker along with the bones. Okay, so here is the freshly chopped mint leaves, and I added into the pressure cooker bowl. And what we do now is I already added the olive oil, salt, pepper, red chili powder, and we need to add the main key ingredient, the ginger garlic paste. So that will enhance the taste of paya. So let me put a tablespoon of ginger garlic paste into the pressure cooker, and we are using this Lakshmi brand's ginger garlic paste, and this is what we get here in the Indian stores. So we usually grab a bottle of this, and this really is the key flavor that will give you the aroma. So we added 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste in that, and now we'll add a little bit, 1 to 2 cups of water. So I just added a cup of small cup, like 8-ounce cup of water into it. Let's mix this one quite a little bit, so that all the essence, all the masala, red chili powder, and the salt, pepper squeeze into the bones, and it will be evenly distributed. So right now it's almost done, 50%. We prepped everything here, and now I would like to put the lid on the top, and then I'll just close this lid and put a whistle on this one, and then just turn on this stove to 8 or 7.5, and let's wait for like 6 to 7 whistles, and it takes roughly around 20 minutes to get all the 6 to 7 whistles. So I'm back, and I think we are almost done with the pressure cooker, and let's see how it goes. No pressure. So ta-da! So wow, it smells so delicious. So let me stir this one a little bit. Look at that drop and the juicy flavor of the mutton lamb. So delicious. I love it. I love it. Let me take the spatula, and wow, it smells so good. So what happens is, in this paya, so when we pressure cook it for 8 to 10 whistles, right? So in the earlier I told 6 to 7 whistles, but it took a little while, so that way the bones and everything will be cooked very well. So in this, the bone marrow in the bone, that's the real taste. That's the real taste, where we are tasting it. Looks so delicious. And what we do is, right now, once the pressure and everything is gone, we need to put it in 8, 8, number 8, and then we will add some more water into this, and let it slow cook for let it cook for another 20 to 30 minutes, and that way you have a nice good soup kind of taste. So, and we can have this one directly like a soup, or we can eat with the garlic naan. So this is how we uh, toast the garlic naan. So we put like 1 tablespoon of amul ghee, and then we spread it all around the garlic naan, and then we heat it and toast it on both sides of the garlic naan. So the final output is here, and I'm really excited. This is my first cooking video, and I hope this will be very delicious item, and you can try it at your home, and it's pretty simple and easy. And let's see. Ta-ta-da. So this is the soupy and very juicy with all the mint, chilies, and ginger garlic naan, ginger garlic paste, and all the mutton bone soup here. It looks very delicious, and this is what I call the garlic naan. It is a thick kind of bread. This is, we call it pita bread here. So a lot of Italian restaurants use this pita bread, and this is really delicious. It has that small garlic essence flavor. So let me show you the brand. And this is what I'm using, the tandoori naan with the garlic. So we get this in the Indian store. So we just need to heat this one on the pan like 2 to 3 minutes, and we can have it with this delicious, yummy, and authentic